I can also give you a quick tour of the boat. So here, when you come in into the cabin, we have the pantry on the left. Nice, easy pots and pans. Above there's my electrical system, which is also really easy solar charger. I use my phone and this InReach satellite navigation system for navigating. And then I have this vane. It's a radar detector, and it tells me when there are other ships using their radar around me. And this uses very little energy, so I thought about getting an AIS, but this only uses like 8 milliamperes per hour, so I have it on all the time and it's no problem with my energy. Here I can turn on some lights, running lights for the masthead, which I will do now because it will get dark soon. Then this is my sleeping area. My bookshelves up there. There's some sails, my spinnaker, my spare head sail and spare mainsail. You can see there it's quite messy. Also my sailing gear, spinnaker for my pillow, so if we go underneath here, this is my workshop. They have all my spare parts and all my tools. And I think with this I can repair almost anything on this boat. Most important, the cable ties. Alright. Then we move over here. This is just some stowage. Underneath here, this is all filled with food. Also here, all food. Back there, another cabin with food. There in the back I have my paraglider on the left and also some water. I think I have back there 40 liters, something like this, 30 to 40 liters left. Here some more food, also medical stuff like some bandages and some medicine, more books and also more food. My life vest. In this Tupperware I have some navigation gear, maps, and there is some electronical stuff, headlamps and like a spare GPS with batteries if my boat gets completely flooded. Down here I have some more drinks, beer, Fanta. This is some flour for making bread. Opa. And in the bilge, if we go here, more water, another 20, no, it's more, it's almost another 30 liters. Also I have some more chain in there. Here you see more water, and this is my emergency grab bag. More water. And outside it's not so much. Here I have some fuel for the engine, ropes, more water, but it's already gone. And in the back, in the stern, I have fenders, I have more rope, and I store my garbage in there. Here you can see my life raft. It's tied down here, so if I need it, I just need to cut one of these ropes with my knife that's handy right there. It's a little bit rusty, but I have to I have to fix this, I guess. This is my drogue. It's already connected, so I just have to deploy it if I need it. Here are my buckets, washing bucket, other bucket, and that's it. Right now, like for the whole Atlantic crossing, I'm flying 2 head sails. The left one is on the Hurley and the right one I rigged on in a forestay. That's actually my storm chip, and it's perfect. I leave this up all the time, and I can furl the furling one to the size I need to make good speed. The mainsail, I didn't use it all yet. I used it for 1 day when I came from Gibraltar, but now it has been packed away for almost a month. And the most important part of this boat back there, you can see the wind vane, and this perfect piece of equipment has been steering since my whole voyage, since Greece, almost every single minute. Now it's running for 23 days in a row without stopping, and it's perfect. Without this thing I would not be able to do this trip. So that was a quick trip of my boat. See, it's not much, but everything you need. Perfect.